Telecom Technologies Private Limited. Today, I'll be walking you through the Loadbazzar workflow, explaining each role and their responsibilities in managing transport operation efficiently. This software is designed to streamline the entire transport process from booking to trip management, vehicle hire, broker payment handling, customer invoicing, and inventory management. Let's go step by step. Booking manager responsibility. So booking manager create the booking and generate the CN or LR copy. So booking manager can also receive the advance payment from the customer. When trip is going on, if there is certain expenses happen, then you can enter the expense detail. If there is any detention charges, you can enter those detention charges. And finally, you can also download your LR. Now in the LR copy, whether you want to show the freight amount or not, you can select that. Let's say you want to show the freight information. So here is your LR copy. So let's create one sample LR. You choose your delivery type. Now you may have multiple branches. Choose your branch. You provide the UABIL number. I'm giving one sample UABIL number. It will fetch the data directly from the GST portal. So all the consignee, their route, source and destination information, everything came. Now you go ahead and generate your LR. Now most of the information already fetched from the GST portal. Now if you have already issued the LR manually, then you can provide the LR number here. Material information fetched from the GST portal automatically. Now you provide your freight amount that agreed with your customer, let's say 20,000. You can provide the lump sum amount or you can provide the unit wise price. You can mention your salesperson name. And let's say you mention this and then you create your LR. So LR number 24 is created. Okay, so now you can add whatever information you want to add. If you want to share your LR with your consignee through email or WhatsApp, so you can provide all this detail and share. Now coming to the trip manager responsibility. So trip manager, when booking is created, then you need to arrange your vehicle and load all your LR materials to your assigned vehicle and start. So that is called the trip. So you create your trip from your LR. So LR number 24 we have created. So let's create a trip. You assign your vehicle. It can be your own vehicle or a hired vehicle. So this is coming from the vehicle master. So if you don't have that vehicle in your vehicle master, from here itself you go ahead and enter the detail of your vehicle and add it. For the time being, let's choose the hired vehicle. Provide your driver name, number, your loading time, let's say tomorrow morning. So all the details already came from your LR. Now rest of the information is not mandatory. So you create your trip. Trip number 10 is created. 10 is created. Now you can start your auto auto tracking, and when trip is going on, then you can go ahead and enter informations, detention information, your expense information. You can share the link, the POD upload link with your driver, so he can able to upload the POD. You can also upload the POD from your side. You can mention that how much quantity is received. You can change the vehicle driver. You can download manifest. So there are many actions that you can take on this particular trip. Let's say that one trip is going on. This is one vehicle is in transit. So this is the vehicle number. Now you can see that the vehicle position. So it is showing the current location here. So you can also share the link with your customer. So here you can see the vehicle route. So these are all the dummy data, so it's not all correct. So now this link you can share with your customer. He can dynamically see the vehicle location. So here also it is showing the vehicle location. So this is what the trip manager managed the trip. Now you must have taken the vehicle from either vehicle owner directly or from any broker. So you can create the vehicle hire for that. So vehicle hire also can be created from the LR itself. So now you can choose choose by the vehicle or by the LR. So this is your LR. You go ahead. This is small LR summary. It is showing at the top. Now most of the information already came. So now you choose your vehicle provider. So let's say you have taken the vehicle from broker or agent. So now you can choose your broker from your broker master. So if you don't have that particular broker, you can also add it. So for the time being, let's choose this particular broker. You mentioned the total amount that you need to pay to your broker, bill-to charge, if there is any TDS you want to deduct. So you go ahead and create your vehicle hire. So vehicle hire 5 is created. So total balance that you need to pay after deducting TDS and the bill-to, it is showing the 14,800. Now you as a admin or the approver, you go ahead and approve some advance amount. So let's say you want to give 12,000 as an advance. So by the way, these options allow advance, approve the balance amount, these options will be shown to the approver or the admin only, not the trip manager. So now you come to the agent payment section. So you have allowed 12,000 as an advance. So after deducting bill-to and the TDS, it is showing that 11,800 you need to pay to your broker. So go ahead and pay advance, choose your broker. So this is the vehicle hire. So now you see that 11,800 is showing here. So if you want, you can change some value here also. Let's say you want to deduct the bill-to amount as 200 rupees. which is automatically reflected here. So now you need to pay the 11,700. So you go ahead and pay. So as you can see, that entry is removed from here. It went to the advance voucher section. So this is the vehicle hire that you have paid 11,700. So remaining balance is 3,000. Now this the balance won't be shown under the pending balance unless and until the admin approves it. So let's say in the vehicle hire, the admin approves the balance payment. Then you come to the agent payment, come to the pending balance. You can see this particular entry here. It is saying that balance amount is 3,000 rupees. Now you can make a payment. The accountant can make a payment. You choose the balance, agent. Now accountant can see that 3,000 rupees has to pay. So you proceed. So now 3,000 rupees came here. Entire calculation is here. If required, the value can be changed here itself. So you go ahead and make a payment, 3,000 rupees. So now this is up to you whether you want to settle it. So go ahead and settle. So now the entry is removed from the pending balance. So you can see this came here. So remaining balance is 0. So now you can go ahead and print the voucher. Now you need to generate your invoice for your customer. So this is your LR. So now you come to the invoice section. So this is generally will be handled by your accountant. So your accountant will come here, choose the billing party. You can see your LR here. So here also accountant, if required, he can make the necessary changes here, and the changes will be reflected here. So now for 20,100, so you go ahead and generate your invoice. So invoice number 4 is generated. So you go to the invoice tab. You can see this. You can go ahead and download your invoice. So this is your complete invoice. So you have other options also. I mean, so you have other expenses. If you want, you can add your expenses. You have broker or agent master. You can add your agents. You have vehicle master, where you can add your vehicle. Here you can fetch the vehicle information from the Parivahan portal. You can provide the vehicle owner PAN and Aadhaar and verify whether their PAN and Aadhaar is linked. Here is the report section that you can see bunch of reports here. Now based on your requirement, we can create the corresponding report for you. It may need extra charge. Here you can set up your employee role. So like I have set up all these roles. So you can also set up your role. So whatever the item that you want to give permission to your employee, you go ahead and select that and create your role. And then you can create your employee, selecting the appropriate role. Here is the branches. So you may have multiple branches. You may have multiple warehouse or godowns. You can add that. And this is your customer master. So you can use your customer GST number to fetch the customer detail from GST portal. Here is your vehicle tracking summary. So what all vehicle trackings are going on, which are the trackings are completed. So you can see all the detail here. Here you can add the branch specific bank informations. You can choose the corresponding branch and business type and add your bank information. This is the account configurations that you want to set some values, that GST percentage, bill to charge, detention charge, all these things. At the account level you can set it. And the very last one is this is just a one-time activity that you create the different number formatting for of different kind of document like LR, manifest, vehicle hire, all these things. That's all. With Loadbazzar, transport business can automate operations, reduce the manual error and improve efficiency. You can select, you can go for the dedicated server and the database. Thank you for watching this session. If you have any question or for full demo and to get the free trial account, please feel free to contact. Thank you.